Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some plates, real simple stuff. We're just going to get straight on into the tutorial. Let's just switch that on. So first up, we're going to be starting with some cylinders. We're just going to scale that down. There we go. Let's just scale that down to about there. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go into edit and then hit the I for inset, but we need to first select top face and the bottom face, and then I for inset, probably about there. Next thing, we're just going to take that down a tad, just so we've got the little angle on the side of the plate there, and then we're going to E to extrude on the Z, just to take it down a tad. Okay, let's go to W and smooth shade, and then we're going to go into modifiers and add a subdivision. There we go. Okay, so on the top, let's hit number 3. Yep, so on the top and the bottom there, we are going to inset again, just to give our plates a nice bit of an edge there, and also we're going to do a bit of a loop cut here, just to give it a bit of a edge there. Okay, and there you have your plate. Real simple stuff. You can duplicate, so Shift and D on the Z, and you can create your Shift D on the Z, and then you can create a whole rack of plates. So if you want to make some plates for your sandwiches, Shift D on the Y, just scale it down. And then if you like a cup of tea, Shift D on the X and scale that on down for your little saucers. And there we have it. There's all our plates in one place. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. And we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Ta-da for now.